today we're going to bake banana cake. I'm with Nerissa again, and tell me what are those ingredients that we're going to put today. So this is Nerissa's own banana cake.
Wow!
Basic na banana cake. So first and foremost, I'm going to introduce to you all the ingredients. So we have this flour. This is
All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour. So ano na to siya, measure na to, tapos ginamitan ko siya ng sieve para to separate the coarser or yung large na particles into finer particles. And then we have sugar. So i-mix mo itong sugar.
No!
Hindi pa muna. So sugar, which is a 1 3/4 na cup ng sugar. Then we have this a baking soda and a baking powder, and we have this cinnamon. So we are using cinnamon as well, and we have 3 bananas.
Ripe banana.
Ripe siya talaga. So, and we have this butter. It's already melted.
Half a cup lang na butter, or if you don't have butter, any oil like canola oil or sunflower oil.
So that will be alternatives if you're not using butter. Alright. So, and we also have Hersheys. So, and toppings yan. And before I forget, we also have this vanilla essence. Alright. And we also have egg, of course. 2 whole egg. Right, so we're going to start.
And we're putting it all here in a
round
baking pan. Okay.
And this is the basic alternative if you're not having a baking sheet.
Yeah, if you don't have baking sheet, just put oil or butter and then spread flour around so that it will not stick too much. Kasi even if you will put butter or any oil, mag-stick pa rin siya eh. So, lagyan mo ng flour.
So now, since we don't have any baking sheet, so we're using this one, flour and the oil or butter. Then also we don't have a electric mixer, so we're going to use manually. Alright, so let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to put
the dry ingredients first. So flour. Flour is 1 1/4 cups of flour.
Okay, so Nerissa will put the flour first.
So this is the flour we already measured this one, huh? Okay.
Alright, so before I forgot, I'm going to show to you this is the 1/2 teaspoon. We are using this one to take all this baking soda.
Soda is half
Only, so half. It will not be heap, or I'm going to make it
like
only few.
Ang baking powder mo ay 1 teaspoon.
So 1 teaspoon, so 2. 1. Oops.
Hala!
This is so clumsy. 2. Right?
And then cinnamon.
Then cinnamon. Cinnamon, do we need to put this one as well?
There's the bigger one.
Okay. So what is the measure? So 1/2 as
cinnamon
well.
Is 1.
So 1. So 1
1
and 2.
Okay. Then mix all together.
So I need
normally we will put also salt with the dry ingredients, but since our butter is already salted, so no need to add salt.
What kind of butter is that? What is the brand of that butter?
I think it's Lopar.
So I'm going to show it to you because we put it in the fridge. So this is the one. The brand of our butter that we used. It's salted. So it's salted. So that is why we're not using any more salt in it.
So now, this is the dry ingredients. We will set this one aside. Now we're going to mix the wet ingredients. Wet ingredients includes the butter, eggs, eggs and sugar. We need to incorporate them all together. And while Tina is doing the wet ingredients, I will mash the bananas now.
Okay.
Using the fork.
So now I'm going to put a butter first, yeah? Butter.
Butter and sugar.
Yes. So this is the 1/2 cup of butter. Then the sugar.
Then mix that one.
The sugar is 3/4. Whole egg, right? Okay.
1 egg at a time.
Alright.
So isa na siya. Now let's smash. Smash it, smash. And by the way, before we do this one, we already preheat the oven.
So when we are baking, we are using this conventional knob, and while preheating 140, let's continue whisking. This is what we're using, vanilla essence, right? So I'm going to put it like this. Mix it well. Just stir it well. Smells great.
You put the wet to the dry ingredient.
Okay. I don't want to waste all the mixtures. Right, so after that, mix ko siya manually.
The next one is we will put the mashed bananas. Actually guys, if you have chocolate chips, you can add this one during this time. But you don't have. If you also have peanuts, almonds, walnuts, you can put raisins. So now, we have this mixture now. So we will just divide it in these 2 baking pans. Divide equally. And then, scrape it all. We'll put Hersheys just for toppings. Until 20 minutes.